सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं दिव्यांश तिवारी, आप देख रहे हो लर्निंग बेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1। हम लोग हड़प्पा से नहीं, महाजनपदा पीरियड से स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट टाइम महाजनपदा period. It is called period, or you can, it is called, we will mention as a period, but you can call it age also. Period or age you can also tell. Yeah. So how many Mahajanpadas are there in Asian history? So there are 16 Mahajanpadas in Asian history. And what are Mahajanpadas? The emperor of king is called Mahajanpada, or big places are called Mahajanpadas. You can tell this type as you can read. So the main things is Mahajanpadas are 16. And then period of Mahajanpada. So time we will tell of Mahajanpada will be 600 BC to 325 BC. In this time, the Mahajanpadas are in ancient India. So Mahajanpada also have capitals. Yeah, Mahajanpadas also have capitals, and some have more than one capital, one more capital, like there you can take Magad. So Rajgriha was the capital in the rule of Bimbisar, but Patliputra is the capital in the rule of Udyain. So you can understand like this, because different kings make their own capitals, You can take this type, because every king has a empire, and every empire has a particular capital that king has made. So we will erase it and we will continue with Mahajanpada. These are some facts about Mahajanpadas. So we will understand, or you can tell, mention Mahajanpada in a chart. So Mahajanpada, and here we will mention their capitals. So the first Mahajanpada we will know that Anga. That it has a capital known as Champa. Or you can tell Champa Nagari. Yeah, we can mention in this type Anga Mahajanpada. So you can remember this Mahajanpada by a trick, that Anga got a flower called चंपा। यानी आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो, इसे हिंदी में बोले तो अंगा को एक फ्लावर मिला जिसे हम चंपा बोलते हैं। चंपा का फूल आप जानते होंगे। इस टाइप से आप इस चीज को याद कर सकते हो। तो सबकी कुछ ना कुछ ट्रिक होती है याद करने की। तो इस टाइप से हम एक फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया एग्जाम्पल कि आप इस तरह से इसे याद कर सकते हो। फिर अपन देखेंगे अगला महाजनपद कौन सा होगा। सो अगला महाजनपद होगा मगध। मगध महाजनपद। So the capitals of Magad are Rajgriha, Rajgriha was the capital in the rule of Bimbisar. You can tell the Rajgriha was the capital in the rule of Bimbisar, and the Bimbisar was the founder of Haryanka dynasty. And the next capital, it has many capitals. It is the first capital in the rule of Bimbisar. And the second capital is Patliputra. Second capital is Patliputra. So the second capital is Patliputra, and the Patliputra is the capital under the rule of Udyayin. Different you can why they have many Patliputra have many capital, because you have know in history that different dynasties ruling different Mahajanpada or empire, so they make their own capital. That's why like Bimbisar make Rajgriha as his capital and Udyayan make Patliputra as his capital. Then you will know Vaishali. So वैशाली किसके रूल में हुआ करता था? शिशुनाग के। शिशुनाग। Yeah. Vaishali is the capital was the capital of Magad under the rule of Shishunag. Yeah, you have to know that. You have to remember, because this is very important, that which Mahajanpada has which capital. Then again Patliputra. Then again Patliputra. The Patliputra is the capital under the rule of Kalashok. Yeah, you have to remember this. This is very important. That's Patliputra become 2 times capital of Magad in Mahajanpada period. First time in which one? In the rule of Udyayan, and the second time in Kalashok. You have to remember this. So these are some capitals of Magad. Then the next Mahajanpada is Vaji. Vaji. Vaji is our next Mahajanpada. And it has 3 capitals. First one is Videha. Second one is Mithila. And third one is Vaishali. These are the capital of Vazzi, Mahajanpada. Then also we have to erase this. Then the next Mahajanpada is Malla. Malla. It has 2 capitals. Number 2 capitals it has. The name of that capitals are Kuishinara and Pava. Kuishinara and Pava. Then the next is Kashi Mahajanpada. Kashi Mahajanpada has only one capital known as Varanasi. In this time Varanasi is known as Banaras. Also, this is the capital of Kashi. Varanasi is the capital of Kashi Mahajanpada, and in modern area name it called Banaras. Then Koshla. So Koshal have many one capital, and it has 2 parts. There are 2 parts of Koshla. So the first part, north part is known as North Kaushal Saraswati. North Kaushal North Kaushal and South Kaushal. And the capital of Kaushal is Ayodhya. Vatsa is the next Mahajanpada. Vatsa. Kaushambi. And the capital of Vatsa is Kaushambi. These are very important things. And small things that you have to remember will very useful for your competitive exams also. Then Chedi. Then Chedi. Shaktimati. Capital is Shakti Mati. Yeah, you have to know that. Then the next is Kuru. Kuru, the capital of Kuru is Indraprasth. Now is known as Delhi. Yeah. Modern Delhi. In modern it is Delhi. You have to know these useful things for your competitive exams also. Then Panchal. Then Panchal is divided into two parts. First part is Ahi Shtra, not part of Panchal, and Kampilya. This is called south part. Yeah. So then Sursena, that the capital of Sursena is Mathura. In modern now it is also known as Mathura only. Mathura is in UP. Yeah, you can also say Bridge Mandal also, you can say Bridge Mandal to Sursen Empire. So, okay. Matsya. Capital of Matsya is Viratnagar. So the capital of Mahajanpada is Viratnagar. Then Avanti. Capital of Avanti is in modern name of Avanti is Malwa. You know Malwa is a region. and it is divided into two parts. The two parts, north Avanti is known as Ujjaini, north part, and the south part is known as Mahashamti. Mahishmati. Yeah? This part is in south. Ashmaka. Then the next is Ashmaka. पाटली बोल सकते हैं आप, पाटली. पाटली और फुटाना. So the next is Gandhar. Takshila. And now this Takshila is in Pakistan. And Pushkalavati. Yeah, these are two capitals of Gandhar. And the last Mahajanpada is Kambuja. The capital of Kambuja is Rajapur, or you can tell Hataka. So the Mahajanpada period is over. Then in next video I will tell you about dynasty ruled in Magadha Empire. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.